Hello guys, this is Exotic speaking. So today we're gonna be playing Piggy Rebooted, and since Piggy hasn't updated, and I'm still waiting for an update of course, we're just gonna be playing some fan games. So yeah, this is what we have to do for now. So let's get right into Piggy Rebooted. Trying to make my voice clear so you guys can hear it. Piggy Rebooted. Oh, that's a lot. Last update, chapter 5. Winner, Arpimo. Whoa, okay, this is a lot of stuff. Check out the skins. Penny, Polly, Bunny. Wait, Kona got infected? Since when? Player, of course. Father. Zizzy, Willow. Pony. Sheep. Teacher. But why does teacher look like Piggy result of isolation? Rebecca. Yeah, to me, that seems a little infected, don't you think? Rebecca seems a little infected. I don't trust an infected that's scratched. Quest to earn an exclusive more. Skin contest season 1. Let's just get right into it. Updates. Ah, nice. We're not gonna do any of these. Maybe in another video. We're just gonna be playing the entire game. Like, we're just gonna be playing all the chapters and such. Chapter 1. Bro, the skins also look like the story. Wait, no. The result of isolation, yeah. 1. If I mess up, I can finally read the cutscene properly. Donuts, cow, Kenny channel at Finn. Interesting. What the? Teleport trap. Orb. I assume that I wasn't supposed to collect that yet. Dang it. Just like the real. Oh. She's glitched. Looks like all problems are out of our way. A little bit of Piggy branched reality action over here. I recognize that a little. A lot of similarities are going on. Sheesh. It's like they all teamed up to make this a single game. Okay, purple key. Scatter around the house, search for... Oh! Green cog. Well, I know that goes in the back, I'm pretty sure, so we can't use that yet. So it's not like the actual game where you can just like flop through there. A little bit sick and such. HD mode. Oh, brightness high. FPS deep mode. Ping debug. Dim effect. Hard mode. Off real quick. Okay, this is actually looking good, bro. This actually looks like a movie. I can actually get used to this. Okay. Hold on. I can't see the timer with HD mode on. Okay, I'm actually wasting time. I should stop wasting time. But you can actually climb that. That's actually a bug that needs to be fixed. Just like the real game, you can just climb through the window by doing a little glitch. A little bit of glitching action. Oh. Got the plank was in here. Yeah, I watched PJHO films a little before I actually did this. So I know very little about it, but still a lot. Little, but a lot. Why is Umbra there? Someone explain to me that. I'm turning HD mode back on. It's just too good, bro. It's just too good. I could do this all day. Oh, wait, where did Orange go again? Yeah, I kind of forgot. Is Orange going to the basement like the original? Oh, no bathroom there. The bathroom was upstairs. Basement. I was correct. That's where the orbs go. Gimme, gimme. I don't know what I just did, but I did something. 5 minutes left on the timer. Is there anything down here, or did I just waste my time? Probably wasted my time down there. Okay, I'm not finding anything. 0, bro. After that orb, nothing. Nothing around here. Why is the red key on the floor? And why is it very bright, bro? I didn't even see that. Okay, maybe we turn all of that off. But definitely keep the FPS and ping debug. Much better, much better. Now we're making some progress. I know I'm gonna lose because I saw PJHO film his first few parts on this game, so I need more time. I shouldn't have wasted my time. Dang. Come on, jump in this window. Got that. I don't have much time crunch and I need to hurry. So let's head on up. Oh, it's not the original game. They thought that they knew players were gonna do that, so they switched it. Hammer, nice. Okay, I'm pretty sure the hammer one goes there, right? Right. Case. One. Let me go grab the gear. Since the gear is in the backyard. And there's also an orb I can grab, which is also in the backyard. I'm pretty sure it was in the backyard. No? Bruh. They should really fix that. Actually, no, leave that door open. They actually need to fix that. Why was a W on the white key door? Okay, let's just keep on exploring. Hopefully I find something. Cause I'm losing time. I swear I just heard something. I forgot where that other orb was. Blue Kiwi. right? Yes. Let's bring this orb downstairs. And then implement it. Okay, now what? First saw someone on that box. Anyways, let's keep on exploring. There needs to be another orb or something else they can unlock. Since the last time I used was the hammer, aware of, or was it the wrench? Pretty sure it was the hammer. No, it was the cog. What? I just got a random jump scare. Probably a model outside the house. Probably because I hit a minute. There's nothing else around here. Like, what do you want me to do? Check this room again real quick. Nothing. But I almost beat it too. Come on, please be something. Oh. On deathmatch timer, you lose your abilities. Yellow key, I need a yellow key. But where is the yellow key? It needs to be somewhere in the basement. Okay, for real. Think my will to live. So that's the jump scare. Also similar to something we know called result of isolation. Okay, play. Chapter 5, High School. Chapter 1. Again. It was just a nightmare pain. Did I wake you up? Penny? The way George looks, bro, he's like, he. Just like Tinker going, he. Okay, no time to waste. You make my plank to live? What? Can't do the unthinkable. No. Okay, good. A green key. Now I know where red key is. Right here. We're cruising through this with ease, like I'm a wave or something. Blue key. Anything on this side? Anything? For yellow key? No? Okay. If you need me, I'll be escaping the map, of course. Why am I talking to myself, bro? I'm going insane. Maybe I should take a break from my PC, bro. Playing this thing 24/7. Okay, orange key. And that's where purple key is. So lots of items are in our use. Are in our availability. Hey, wait a second. Turn that back on. "8 minutes, already have hammer." Nice. Okay, so there's many more steps, like using an orange key and then finding the yellow key. Which is going to be a pain, because that's basically going to be a loophole, finding the yellow key. If it was in this room all along, I'm going to be upset, bro. Literally. Where is that yellow key, though? That's what I want to know. We still have lots of more items to go. Grab that orb. Place that right there. Then we rush back upstairs to grab the other orb, then grab the purple key. Hold on, the orb was over here. Dang. Still coughing. I'm ruining my audience. Maybe I got white key through that or something. Okay, there's nothing down there that relates to a yellow key. Anything here? No. Okay, let's check over here. That's green cog. No yellow key. I might just need to pull out PJHL films, literally. I swear I thought I saw a similarity right there. What's that how you call it? Anyways, where is the red cog so I can get a yellow key? I hope. Or do I need another orb to get the yellow key, which gives me red cogs so I can get white key? Because I haven't seen multiple items in the map. There's no teleport trap in there. Nothing in there. And I can't just whip out a dark blue key. So, where? It's like that key just vanished. Dang. I've been recording for literally like 20 minutes now. I might just need to only record chapter 1 and record probably the rest tomorrow. I'm about to whip out PJHL films, bro. This is taking too long. Anything in the oven? Microwave? No? hair. All I need is an orb. All I need is a yellow key. All I need is a white key. Like, give me at least one of those items. So I can't find a single thing. Hardly anything in there. This is what I call pain. Pain, say hello. Someone am I suffering? Actually, someone. Someone, bro. Please. There's hardly anything down in the basement, bro. Why would I even check there? It's like this Yoki's hidden in plain sight. In PJ Chofung's video, the Yoki was right here. Maybe outdated, but that video was today. Yeah, we're gonna need to take a game pause real quick. Game pause. Huh. Game pause. Okay, I'm back, and I think the game is broken or something. Cause he found the yellow key right here, but I found the green key there. Hold on, what if I check where the green key is supposed to be? We're back. I think I know where that yellow key could be at. Oh my god. Okay, maybe I need to... Okay, maybe I need to equip lower graphics. You better not tell... Oh my god. I'm gonna make some more progress. Okay, FPS debug, ping debug. Ping, give me that. I think my will to live, to be honest. Place that right there. Rush downstairs. Since... Oh, I thought the green key was still worthless. It's not. Yeah, it's on the floor. In the most totally convenient spot with a insanely bright light. I didn't even see the red key. I didn't even see the yellow key. I don't even think I can do chapter 2 alone. Give me that blue key and head down here. Dang. I think I'm dying of a sickness called ligma. Yes, ligma. Boast. Okay, gone through the window. Use that wrench. And good job, bro. Okay, finally, hammer again. Hammer in 8 minutes again. Above 8 minutes. I'm pretty sure I got at like 7. That time I got at 8:14. I don't even know what time it is anymore, bro. I genuinely don't. Yo, Alexa, what time is it? Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 10:09 p.m.
10:09 p.m. So that's 10 and 9 minutes. Interesting. They should probably also fix this little bug here. Yoink. Yoink my will to live. Yoink my will to live. Okay, give me that. Now let's head on downstairs. Here's I'm putting these cogs. I still question, why do we hold the cogs like this? And how are they even together right now? They should be slipping out of our hands. Hold them in 2 separate hands, and then that would make more sense. Then that would just be a little too hard to animate and stuff. Or JK. That would be easy. Okay, now I forgot what to do. Oh yeah. Grab that orb up there and then yellow key time. Hold on. I just forgot about that. Finally making some progress out here. Took too long. Took too long. It's already longer than it should be. Red cog. I'm also gonna put in that other orb to probably activate that thing up there. I think that's what the orbs are for. I'm still gonna activate the orbs anyway, because that's part of the map. It's in the map, so we need to use every last event we can. Look what I fished up. A white key. That other orb. Okay. In here, let's collect this orb. This door is weird. Go grab the electricity orb to open this door. Bet. Let me implement all these orbs right now. Well, that scared me. Electricity orb. What even is on the other side of that thing? Don't know, but I'm gonna find out. If I fell down right there, though, I'd be upset, bro. I'd end the recording right. Quest number 1 complete. I'm escaping with this orb in my hand, just like the PJ film's RP film, where he just escapes and then keeps the item. Escape chapter 1. Let's go. This is where Georgie Piggy was last seen, I think. Officer, you came at the right time. I need your help. Georgie, why are you panicking? What's going on? My sister, she turned into a freaking monster monster with black eyes. I meant freaky, not freaking. She tried to kill me with a baseball bat. Is your parents in the house by any chance? No, they're not, and I don't want to look for them alone. It's okay, calm down. Your sister has probably been infected with an unknown virus. I authorize you to get in the car, only to look for your parents. Thank you very much, officer. But first, I gotta get some stuff from the police station. Nice. But you know I can't hold back. You know I can't. You know well I can't hold back. Okay, let me check my quest again. Quest number 1. Georgie films more. I got the thing that I completed, so I should... Oh, wait, hold on. Where is it? Probably didn't start the quest, so I didn't get it. Okay, oh, I think that's for the RP mode, since it's not a multiplayer game yet, I believe. Let's go into chapter 2. Imagine this in VR, bro. With rose shade. Imagine playing Roblox on the VR or max graphics horror games. That'd be insane. Okay, stay outside because there might be someone infected inside the police station. I'm going to get my stuff to keep working. No worries, officer. Take your time. Yeah, that time is gonna be very long, pig. I know where all the items are, alright? Hello? Is there anything up here? I could really use a green key right about now before it spawns in and finds my location. Cause that bomb moves. The last one doesn't. Cause it's bugged. The game is very buggy. 12 minutes. I'm wasting my time trying to find a green key. Oh. I aggroed the bot. Oh. Aggro. Yeah, you stay in there for a little. I'll just search this room real quick. Okay, no coin. Don't have the coin, you can't do the doing. Oh. Well, I'm legally blind. How did I not notice that? Anyways, this is where all the inmates come to eat. Yes. If you won't mind, I'll just excuse you elsewhere. And yeah. That's a bit weird. Oh. Yeah, boy, sorry, but you're just gonna stay there, alright? This is very big police business. Oh. Wrong vending machine. Wrong vending machine. I repeat, wrong vending machine. Try to avoid him so he doesn't move. I think he's in another world right now. Purple key. Okay. So, black key is there. I reckon we need a purple key. Yep. Knew it. So he can aggro on me at any time right now. Oh, so I need to be careful. Very careful, because the doors are opened, and because the doors are open, he can. Oh my god, bro! I do not want to be fizzling in acid, right? So let's not do that again. Doors. Maybe I should do a video on doors. Although I have played the game already, so I know all about it. Like PJHO Film said, it's about trial and error. Hold on. Alright. Let's keep on going. It said in chapter 2 or chapter 3 that Willow was here. Anyways, we unlocked this area now. Which is nice. There's some infected outside. I know that there's infected outside because of PJHO Film is no duh. Huh. The crowbar and the hammer are the same thing. I'll need to use my sperm ability only when I grab the black key. I ain't taking a long walk. But what's that sound? When I jump into the air, it makes this like weird static sound. Think I aggroed him? Probably way too much noise. I should probably stop having fun before I die. Blue key. Ew, stay away. Okay. I'm in infected territory. One wrong move, I'll have my brains pulled out. Link. Sorry, but you're gonna need to link my will to live if you want to kill me. Okay, so I'm pretty sure once I use the battery, I should get scissors or something. Yep. I didn't mean to cut that, but I did anyway. Okay, yellow key. Where does this go? Oh yeah, red room. This game is very realistic. Like, I can do this all day. Literally. Okay, actually though, where does this key go? Oh yeah, I just got a flashback hit from PJHO Film's video. Goes over here. Coin. Link my will to live. Okay. There should be another vending machine nearby. Okay, it's not that one. That's bronze vending machine. Don't tell me it was down here this entire time, bro. I'm wasting time. The clock is ticking. Okay, where does this coin go? I'm actually wasting my time trying to find where. Oh, the infected cleared up. Nice. Hopefully they don't attack me. But I bet you they will attack me. Oh yeah, and the red room. Code. Ooh. Now that's accurate. No, now that is accurate. 1918. Actually puts in a code. Too bad it's not the paper code though. The infected got inside? If the infected are inside, that makes my life harder. Oh, that's her. She is. Luckily, Kona didn't spot me. Leave me alone. Okay, bronze key. Which I'm assuming white key. Okay, I know. Rush to that dang escape door. Chapter 2. Nice. Bingo, it's exactly what I need. This time no one will stop me. And that's how I was able to save the 3 ducks that almost drowned in the tide. I'm proud of you, young man. Well, you know, it happens to me almost every day to save someone. I'm back. Look, it took a while, but I'm here. Hi, officer. It's timely you arrived when I finished telling my story to this officer. Good evening, boss. I've been trying to find you for so long. What? This is the 5th time this week. Another kid, which is Zizzy, who drowned this. Sorry for the spoiler. Alright, according to the information, the woman got lost near Cell Gallery and is about to be killed by a prisoner. Luckily, we got there just in time, though. Dot dot dot. Dot dot dot. It's a joke, I hope. What did I do wrong that? Please don't ask questions. Get in the car, let's go. How dare you really use a 2-year-old joke? PHO film reference. Aw, dang, bro. His eye is flaming. His eye was on fire. Luckily, he didn't got his body was thick, bro, because if he just shot that human and it was skinny, bro, that would just go right through him and shoot Zizzy. Literally, bro, just plain dead. Chapter 3, Gallery. Actually, you know what? Let's save that for tomorrow.